Hi guys, it's the first week of July in 25. So a quick workshop update for you. When I built this workshop, this area was supposed to be a showroom. It's never happened. So that partition there was supposed to be to keep the workshop one side and the showroom the other. But what's happened is it's become a massive dumping area. And we've put cars here that we're working on and then kind of got busy and forgot them. Here we had this car which we bought from Spares and Repair off eBay. And we rebuilt the engine, but then had massive electrical problems. And in the end, I just got sick of looking at it. And we've done something else. I'll show you. This is Wesley. Originally, we bought this to do up and to make into a bit of a special, which is why we've got the burnt orange wings, the burnt orange roof. We've rebuilt the engine. It's all looking, you know, starting to look good. But again, we got so busy. It's been here 3 years. Look at the dust on it. And I just got sick of looking at it. So I've given it to my lads. And they're going to track it, which is fine by me. So what I'm going to do is remove these partitions and put in more lifts. So I'm going to put 6 lifts in. So I bought one here, which I don't know if this is going to be a good one, but I did buy it. And I'm going to put this in, this will be my 4th lift. And then through here, the engine from Wesley is now in this convertible, which is a subject of another video. But we've got a reconditioned engine and all sorts of things going on there, which I'll cover in another video. And then this car, this came in as a non-runner, and it's an automatic, it's quite low mileage. And when we looked at it, the customer had basically boiled it and he'd fried the engine. They needed a new cylinder head and we didn't know what the rest of it was like. So, and the other thing is he said, oh, I don't want to repair it, do you want to buy it? And then when I looked at it, it's got accident damage. He actually bought it from Copart, so it's a Cat S. But this is the only damage, so it doesn't look that bad. We can live with that. I can repair it anyway. So what we did is this car, which we had already rebuilt the engine on, but then had the electrical problems and basically stalled on. We've taken the engine out of that, which is here, sitting on this lift, sitting on this engine. So this is the engine out of that car, and we're going to fit it to our automatic. I know it's a Cat S, but with such minimal damage at the back, I think I can live with that because I can demonstrate to people that the damage wasn't that great. So hopefully on the next update, that partition will be gone and we'll have the extra lift in and we can start building out the workshop. Thanks for watching. Just as a parting message, please check out our website. I'm very proud of this. I coded this all myself, well actually with a great deal of help from ChatGPT, but that's by the by. You can put your registration number in for your Mini or BMW and see the service pricing by just a click of a button. Thank you for watching.